If you need a color swatch, here's my whole cheek. My face. The ass of the chicken. Watching Bambi learn how to walk. God. Look at all of the free goodies. Look at all of the free stuff. So I needed to spend a certain amount to get all of that free stuff. Let me count that. I bought like some Christmas presents along with it. And I also bought the Christmas box that was also discounted for the Benefit Huda bronzer because I was running out of that. And it looks amazing. It looks like you're not wearing any bronzer and it's just natural shadows on your face. So if you're new at contouring, you can't really miss with that one. So look at all of the free goodies. It's like giving yourself your own Christmas. 18 free goodies and 5 full-size products. So I'll look at the values later, but just overall from that haul, how much money I saved over the year, we'll have that up on the screen, but good stuff. Here we have a full-size Sephora charcoal mask, which is great. Purifying. Clinique moisture sample, great for travel. You can throw that in your backpack. Full-size bubbly eye gels. So those were fun. I can't ever spend my own money on those because I feel like it's a waste to have a one-time product for your eyes. I know you have some reusable ones, but I love them when I have them. I mean, they do make your face look brighter. But yeah, I hate one-use products like Shein. Love them for like, if I'm having a spa day, like I can really treat myself and I'm like, this feels special with like disposable products. Here we have a facial oil, which I've never heard of. On the wild side, I love facial oils. So I do have acne-prone skin. Never used to, but I have endometriosis and adenomyosis. And the pill that I'm taking right now to help combat that gives me a very oily face. But yeah, it does help with other, consequences and pains of the conditions. Here, one of my favorite facial oil is this, the Garancia Huile Ensorcelante au Super Pouvoir. This one is a dry oil and it is really dry. It doesn't leave any greasy feeling on your face. So if you're worried about getting oil on your pillow, for example, I only use facial oils at night usually. I'll use them after my retinol. So I'll use my moisturizer, then retinol, then close it all off with facial oils. So this one doesn't make me break out in any sort of way. It keeps my skin really hydrated. Really love it. So I'm hoping to love this one as well. It's going to go into my night. Really love actually this. It's a simple, but it's a decent sample size, and it's got a really cute little dropper bottle, which I'll be able to reuse for other things if I can't open it. Oh, okay. Oh my God, this is so small and dainty. Oh, what's it? I know that smell. It's like frangipani. Ah, that smells really nice. That's a super bio, made in France, issued from wild crafted plants, efficient, 100% natural. And you think about the smell. There's a lot of, if you don't like coconut, there's, coconut is the main ingredient, so I'm a little bit worried that might break me out. Let's see how that goes. It's the almond, yeah. Sweet almond that's making it smell a little bit like frangipani. It's not even, it's towards like the second half of the ingredients, well, actually, smack dab in the middle of the ingredient list in terms of quantity. Why am I mentioning the position? It's because ingredient list, they do have to list it by the majority amount to the least. So here we have cocoa caprylate in the first ingredient, so that means that's the major ingredient. That's probably more than half of it usually. You have the sweet almond oil, but the smell of it is really overwhelming. It's nice though. Reminds me of Vietnam and frangipani flowers. Here you have the Clinique ID. I'm really interested in trying this one. I do want to buy them. They're just a lot more expensive than the Moisture Surge, and I love the Moisture Moisture Surge. Oh god, I gotta stop trying to say that product name. But hydrating jelly, so great travel again pack. Love having little samples every time I have to travel rather than take my whole product with me, and then it's a good opportunity to try when you're out of your everyday environment. Here another little sample. You have Cicapair, you have the Tiger Grass cream, and you have the Tiger Grass color correcting treatment with sunscreen. So that would be one for the night and one for the day. Actually really excited to try these because I do have quite reactive skin. So here I'm excited for this one. Would never have bought it myself, but I had been looking because I did notice that compared to when I was 16, 18, my lips, the top lip did lose quite a bit of volume. The bottom stayed the same, but I am losing some plumpness in the skin, which I wasn't really seeing. Ooh, so it's a really pretty like holographic color that's really gorgeous packaging. The way it's settling around the tube though is like kind of creeping me out, but let's try that. Okay, at least I don't see those glitters outside of like the bright light, but let's try that tomorrow before the lipstick. Oh, I'm excited. It's Lip Injection Extreme. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's the lip stain. I'm actually wearing it today. In the middle, I have my Maybelline dark red lip stain. Earlier in the day, I had just the Fenty on, but it is quite a dark brown. Once I have my correct foundation shade, I'll be excited to try it on again. Very dark brown, very interesting color to include in like a Christmas gift package. Usually it's gonna be like all red, so I'm glad it's a different color. Do I wish it was a lighter brown? Maybe a little bit. I'm sure it's gonna look great on certain skin types. Like maybe if I'm a little more tan, I think that would look really sexy. Anyhow, I actually do enjoy how it looks, especially mixed in with the red. It gives a nice plumped look or like 3D effect with like the darker shadows on the side and then more of the red in the middle. And here we have the Mario Badescu Rose body soap. So really tiny little bottle, great for travel, or maybe like a spa day if you know. I like having like certain products dedicated to be like, today is my mental spa day. Let me use my special products that I've put aside especially for that to make myself feel fancy. We all need those days. Here you have the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It's a brand that I do aspire to. I don't really actually spend money on it. Like Origins also is another brand that I would really like to buy skincare from, but it is a little bit more on the higher side. So excited to be getting a sample. Another Estee Lauder night repairs. I'm glad to be stocking up. So just got 2 free products, which is awesome. Well, 1 free product and the other one is at a great value. And here you have an Ultra Repair Cream for intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Safe for sensitive skin, so perfect for me, especially right now in the dead of winter. And also because my skin tends to dry out like crazy right after the shower, so anything hydrating is good. Here you have the Benefits. They're real, the Magnet edition. I don't know why I call it Magnet, but I love any of the Benefits mascara. They're really great. Woohoo! So part of the Huda bundle was the Roller Lash Mascara, which is one of my favorites when it comes to natural looking everyday lashes. They look really great. And it actually does last quite long, and you can extend the life with saline solution. Ooh, not sure why it's Magnet. Powerful lifting and lengthening mascara. From reviews that I had seen though, the original, the real, rather than the real Magnet, was judged to be a lot better than the Magnet version. So I don't know. I've tried the real version and I've never tried the Magnet version. Sun and Sky Australian Emu Apple. I actually have the full size of this one, so I'm happy to have a small one for travel. From having the full size right now, would I buy it again? It's not bad. It gives me the same effect as a face sheet mask basically, so it's just nice to not have that extra waste, but it doesn't show me as much changes on my face as like the Super Mud Mask from Glamglow, for example. I love that mask. That mask, if you can get the 100 ml version, wait for the sales, wait for the bundles. You have one for almost all year if you use it once a week. It's a really great value. Like, don't buy the tiny one, you're gonna get ripped off. It's gonna help refine your face. Like I've had a lot of problems with cystic acne and ice pick scars since I started on the hormone that I did. That's been a fun ride. I had like really clear complexion throughout puberty, but then apparently now it's just like, hey, let's catch up with you. A little version of the vitamin C tonic. So I have a larger one here, so really nice again to have for travel. Oh god, it's okay. That was the mascara. Can't fall any lower than that. I'm excited for this one. The Sol Janero Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It's a really small size. I'm not gonna get very far, but it is Tati's favorite cream, and she had raved about it a bunch, and then I couldn't find it anywhere. So I'm really happy to see that in the free samples, and I'm excited to give it a try. This one's so exciting. I think it's like a full size, if I'm not mistaken. It's the retro eyeshadow in the shade Helio. And I love Natasha Denona. I have her palette Circus, and then I have her mini palette. Ooh, but the formula of her shadows and how long they stay and the rendering of it, like I love them. So here you have a dusty pink, just a really universal color, nice to brighten any eye look. Oh my god, look at how pretty that is. Like I don't usually buy pink eyeshadow, but oh my god, that's so pretty. Like even as a high, I don't know, it's beautiful. And a perfume. Really, really great haul, especially for the price that I paid to get all of this. That was it for the Sephora. I'll do the same with the Clinique. In the Clinique, you have two little lipsticks. One of them is the Clinique Black Honey, so we'll go through that one later. Really excited. The rest is just, yeah, oh god, skincare. And I just slammed the lipstick on the top of the tube. I'm really sad. So yeah, that just shows me I really need to go to sleep now. Cry about it. Use a brush to salvage it. It's fine. I'm over it. Okay, I've had worse before. Might tell that story later, but on that note, have a lovely night, and I'll see you for the Clinique.